Hey everybody, welcome to ClausenWorld Craft, Travel, and More. DIY, all that good stuff. I am preparing to move. ClausenWorld is moving, yes. And so this is going to be a multi-part video showing you guys a little bit of the move. On this channel, because I have two channels, if you're interested in following me on my gardening channel, I'm driving y'all. Just leaving the office. If you're interested in following me on my gardening channel and watching the garden move, then pop on over to ClausenWorld. I will put a link in the description box below, or you know what, better yet, I'll put a video card up so that you guys can go and visit ClausenWorld for the garden move. But right now, I'm going to show you on this channel me preparing to move. The movers are coming, but I am going to be packing, doing a little bit of packing before the movers come and then do their packing. So, you know, some things that you want to make sure doesn't end up missing or completely demolished, you want to take care of some things yourself. So I'm doing a little pre-packing before the movers come to actually pack me out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be the first time I'm ever doing this kind of video. I've moved before, but I've only been a content creator for a little over a year, and I want to show you guys a little bit different. So as I make my way over to the house and get changed to do my packing, I'm going to take you along with me so you guys can see what my packing looks like. That pack life is real, you guys. I have packing materials on the floor that I've saved. I have papers that I have collected. Excuse my messy, dirty gardening gloves. This is where I have been shifting my gardening stuff. But yes, the pack life is indeed real. Over here in the corner, I have another huge roll of bubble wrap. And up here, you know, that pack life. I've got my tape. So packing has commenced and it is busy, busy, busy time. Like I mentioned, one of the reasons I am packing is because there are many things that I don't want the movers to pack. I don't want all of my mason jars that I've spent so much time trying to collect to go missing or get broken. I have food that I need to transport myself. I have my canning supplies, my dehydrating supplies, all of those things I want to move myself. So this is going to take a little bit of time and effort for me to pack all this stuff up and make sure that I move these items separately than what I want the movers to move. And if you find yourself in a position to where you're moving, either someone's moving you or you're moving yourself, go through your house, clean out your drawers, pull everything out, because some stuff you may not want to take with you. I went through my linen closet and I pulled out all of the linens that I wanted to take. Everything else I have donated. Now I have not zipped them down in this bag, but I'm going to zip them down in this bag so that when the movers pack this bag, there's a lot less space for them to occupy. Same with my sheets. I've got my towels, my sheets. I'm putting them in huge zippy bags. That way when I shrink them down, the movers, all they have to do is put them in a box and move on from there. That way you have perhaps maybe a few less boxes, or your boxes are not as heavy as it would ordinarily be if you did not do those things, because weight is a huge factor in a lot of people's moves. Depending on how far you're moving and where you're moving to, weight is definitely a huge factor. I decided to pack my office up myself because I work out of my office. I used to work out of my office all the time every day, but now I have transitioned back into my business office. I'm not working in the home anymore. And so I wanted to pack up my own office to make sure that none of my office equipment gets broken or goes missing. Like I mentioned before with other things, my mom bought me this really awesome printing system, this new printer, and I just feel more comfortable taking care of this myself. So that's what I'm doing. Now the movers will move this, and I will keep a watchful eye while they do that. But again, just trying to get it done. So that's one more box closed up and a few more left to go. Hey everybody, this is going to be it for me tonight. I'm going to take a packing break, going to have a little bit of dinner, and going to call it a night. So the next time you guys see a video regarding me moving and packing will be part 2. The movers will be here, the movers will be packing, the movers will be packing everything onto the truck and moving everything out. So if you want to see that, stay tuned for that next video. And oh, by the way, somewhere up here, I'm going to put an iCard for me packing up and me personally moving my garden. I love my garden. I hope you guys watch my gardening video as well. Give this video some love. Come on, you guys. I want this channel to be just as successful as my gardening channel. So again, check out my gardening video somewhere up here. And I hope to see you in part 2. Bye for now.